Alright, I'm back. And sorry if I take long pauses during character sentences or something. I'm just drinking water. That's good water. Anyway. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Oh yeah, I went a little further ahead after the video stopped just to get to this part. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them violently. There we go. Sorry, I can't say it. Because I suck at saying everything. Anyway. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see, I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Oh, dang it, won't let me move. I wanted to move! What's up with her ponytail? I honestly never knew that Undyne could teleport or something. That thing that she did. I never knew she could do that. Yo! Did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. What do you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. A little monster kid. A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. Shape. Hold up, I'll be right back. Just enjoy the music. Alright, I am back. Sorry for that. Okay. Oh wait, where's that little thing I had? I had a card. Oh, found it. Hold on. I got a comment on the video. Let me see. Alright. Jeez, my phone dies so frickin' fast. Alright. I'm locking up the... When Galaxy heard the noise and how they go on your head, she thought the noise was cute. And she laughed at how Frisk carries them on her head. Alright. I know what to do here. Flex. You flex. Everyone flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you two. Flexing contest. Okay, flex more. I had training. I fought Undyne so many times that I am so used to this. Flex. He flex harder. Aaron flexes thrice as hard. Attack increases for you two. Nice. I won't lose though. Is this sweat? Is this sweat? Is this freaking sweat? Flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. You won! Yay! Alright, let's see here. Okay. I remember when Galaxy helped me out on this part. She told me what I should do, so I did it and it worked. Like, I play so much Undertale, but I don't ever record it. Like, I remember the first time I recorded it was when I was fighting Undyne. And Mettaton, but I didn't post that video when I was fighting Mettaton. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. That wasn't a long So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a faded ribbon. Is that true? Are you wearing a faded ribbon? What would you say? Yes, I am. So you are wearing a faded ribbon. Got it. Wink. Have a nice day. Alright, I need to find a chest and get the old tutu. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis. Make a wish. Is that Washu? Washua. I think that's how you say his name. Washua. I don't know. Clean me. You ask Washua to clean you. It hops around excitedly. Green means clean. Tweet. I always suck at this. But I don't care. It's fine. Washu's rinsing off a pizza. Washua is rinsing off a pizza. What? Can I spare him now? Yes. Spare. His face, though! All of them are surprised when I spare them. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. Ah, seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. check wall. I like how Toby did that. He's like, you can look at the gems on the ceiling, and then when you go to a corner, check wall. Alright, I'm just gonna start throwing spears at me at this part, so I better hurry up and run from her. My favorite person, I'll be honest here, to voice act is Untied. Oh god, I don't even want to try voice acting MTT. I don't even want to try. Oh god. She's so unfair with her spears. Stop it. Untied! Stop! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. Just keep running, just keep running. Just keep running, just keep running. Okay, okay, I'm good. Her hair always has that black strip on it. That face though. Alright. He's gonna come running out though. Hold on. Be right back. Alright. Okay, hold on. Oh, sorry, totally. It's okay. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left, yeah, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. She was throwing spears at me. Does that count? Alright. This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Like that cheese reference is everywhere in Undertale. Squeak. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills you with determination. Yeah. Sans! I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope. But since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Use the telescope? Yes. I know this joke, Sans. Now my eye's pink. Thank you, Sans. Snaz. Snaz. Frickin' snaz. Now I get... No. Let me change. You equip the ultra too. Use the box? Yes. Faded ribbon. Snowman peas. And done. Alright. Nice cream man. I relocated my store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream.